Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate SEMrush projects for organized marketing workflows, full guide step by step clearly. To activate SEMrush projects for organized marketing workflows, start by logging into your SEMrush account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you will find a prominent button labeled Create Project. Click on it to begin setting up your new project. You will be prompted to enter your project's name and the website URL. Fill in the information accurately to ensure proper tracking. After entering the details, click on the Create Project button. Your project will now be created and you will be directed to the project dashboard. In the project dashboard, you will see various tools and features available for your campaign. Begin by setting up the Site Audit tool for website health monitoring. Locate the Site Audit option and click on it. Configure the crawl settings according to your website's requirements. Adjust parameters such as crawl limit, frequency, and subdomains if necessary. Once set, click on the Start Site Audit button. After the audit completes, review the results to identify any issues. Next, link the Position Tracking tool to monitor your keyword rankings. Find the Position Tracking section in your project dashboard. Input your target keywords and select the location you want to track. Click on Setup Tracking to finalize the setup. Now move on to the Social Media Tracker for social media analysis. Add your social media accounts to gain insights into performance. For content organization, utilize the Content Marketing feature. Create a content strategy by adding topics and keywords relevant to your business. Next, explore the PPC keyword tool if you plan on running paid campaigns. Input your target terms to optimize your ad spend. Periodically, check the Backlink Audit tool to manage your link profile. Monitor new backlinks and disavow toxic links as needed. To visualize your project progress, use the reporting feature. Generate reports by selecting metrics and data that matter to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.